Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video how to lock apps in iPhone. So first of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So if you want to hide apps or if you want to lock your apps in iPhone, so first of all you have to long tap on the icons on the apps that you want to lock. So here I'm tapping on different app I want to lock. It says required a lock. You can see on it requires a face ID. In an iPhone you require a face ID or lock anything, but you must have a face ID so every apps can easily be locked. So here you can see every app can have a face ID, can require a face ID if you want to lock the app. So what you have to do, tap on a YouTube and search for required face ID. Here you can see options. You have to touch on required face ID. You must be know that if you lock the app you will not receive any information, any notification related to that app. So now tap on required a face ID. So now whenever you open an app you have to require a face ID. Let me show you. If you don't have a face ID it will not open and it required a password. So you must have a face ID to unlock your apps. So hope so you know what I'm saying and you like the enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. The same thing I'm repeating again. One more time I'm locking the Chrome again so you can see what I'm doing and you can learn from this video. Hope so you enjoying this video. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now again I am lock another app required face ID. Touch on required face ID. Now this app also required a face ID whenever I want to open it. So every time if you want to open app that is locked you have to require face ID to open that. Hope so you enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.